iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 15 Pro. Which is better, and which one should you buy? Apple has officially launched the iPhone 16 Pro, discontinuing the iPhone 15 Pro in its store. However, with every new release, comparisons between the two are bound to happen. While Apple no longer offers the iPhone 15 Pro directly, it's still available through third-party retailers like Amazon, Flipkart, and select offline stores. So, if you're considering an upgrade or looking for a deal on last year's model, you still have options. The question remains, should you go for the newer iPhone 16 Pro, or is the iPhone 15 Pro still worth considering? Which one should you buy? Here's the crux of the matter. If you're already using the iPhone 15 Pro, the improvements in the iPhone 16 Pro might feel incremental and not very revolutionary. However, if you crave a larger display, better camera zoom, and the latest A18 Pro chip for future-proof performance, then upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro makes sense. On the other hand, if you're happy with your iPhone 15 Pro's stellar performance, camera quality, and design, you might not feel a pressing need to upgrade just yet. Both phones are extremely capable, and the iPhone 15 Pro will continue to be a top-tier device for the foreseeable future. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 Pro brings improvements, particularly in the camera and performance departments, but whether it's worth the upgrade depends on how much you value those features. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope the video is useful to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, buddies. See you in next video, buddies. Bye.